Hello to all my friends out there. So, okay, I cut my own breast off of a small turkey. Let me show you something. Okay, so, I want to get my turkey in the oven, my turkey breast. And so I slid my turkey into one of these baggies. I buy them for 2 cents. And then, I will cut my turkey up later, what's left of it, and I will freeze it. That way it doesn't make a big mess all over the place. Okay, so I made some stovetop stuffing, and I used butter, and I used chicken broth to make my my stuffing. And I will, just pile it all on here as best I can, so that I can sort of like cook my stuffing in my turkey breast. It's gonna taste better. I'll just pack it in there. One package of stovetop stuffing seems to be perfect for this. This is gonna be a good little turkey breast. I can tell it's really fresh. I got it at Sprouts. If you want another small turkey for Christmas, I would consider there. I think we're gonna have either a duck or a ham. I haven't decided. Okay, so now I want to contain my stuffing. I just want to make sure it stays. So I salt and peppered my turkey, and I put some stuffing in there. And so now I want to salt. And this is the old-fashioned way. They didn't have tons of stuff back in the day. You just, this is what you did. Okay, and I have some butter. Okay, let's see. Where's the knife? So I just want to put some butter on my turkey breast, around on there, so my turkey doesn't, dry up. You could drizzle with oil. It's gonna be good anyway. If you get a good turkey, you can't cook it awful. It'll turn out good, even if you're a novice. That's the whole trick. Okay, and then, I have a little, I bought this stuff at Walmart. I'm going to pour this in. This is going to make some good gravy. And then, I'll cover it with foil and bake. And then at the same time, I have a sweet potato, and this is a butternut squash. I'll cover the butternut squash. Here is the turkey. I bought that at Walmart. And then here is my bread. Let me tell you, you gotta make this yourself. You can't go buy this stuff. But that's okay, because now you guys can make it. So this is like the easiest dinner in my life. All right, now let me give you the recipe for the bread in case you didn't see my other. Once you get the turkey in, you're done. Just gotta whoop up a few salads. Okay, you guys, that's what I do.